It's time for some big news. In a recent video, I went over some new Discord news regarding profile customization, including the new profile design, the options for banners, and more. At the time, these features were rolling out to random users, but now it's out for more people. As far as I know, it should be out for everyone, as long as you're using the desktop app. I'm not sure about the website, but on the desktop version, the default version of Discord, it's there. In this video, we're going to tour the new menu, where you can set all this up, and I'll show you how the features compare on Nitro and Classic Nitro, because there are differences. So to get this update, all I had to do was refresh my clients by pressing Ctrl R. Then I got a pop-up next to the user settings icon in the bottom left, saying about the new customization. So if you don't see that, to make sure you have got it anyway, if you go into the user settings, you should see user profile right here, and this screen will look a bit different. So previously, under my account, you'd be able to change your profile picture, but now to change your avatar, you're going to have to go into this new dedicated section. So you can either click on user profile here, or you can click edit profile. Now I have Nitro and Nitro Classic, I have two different accounts, but to start I'm going to show you Nitro. So if I go into the Canary edition, I'm only using Canary for this example because I always run this account on Canary and because I can't have two Discords at once, so I have to use the other version of the app. So to change the avatar and to set up the About Me section and all that good stuff, we're going to click Edit Profile and we'll be taken to this menu here under User Profile. So I'm going to start from the top. So avatar, this is how it's always been. You can change your avatar or you can remove it, set it to default. And then below that, we have the profile banner, which it says is exclusive to Nitro. So they recommend a size of 600 by 240 pixels, and it can be a GIF. My one here is not a GIF. That's because I don't have a GIF to upload. But what you can do to change this banner here, you can either click here or you can click change banner over here. But as you can see, if I go into the same menu with my Nitro Classic account, I can't do it. So with Nitro Classic, you cannot set a custom banner. You have to have the normal version of Nitro, that's a $10 a month one, but the $5 a month, you can't change the profile banner. So if I go to change banner here, and I go and upload one, you can't see what I'm uploading because it's on a different monitor, but if I upload this one here, it will give me this crop window here, similar to what you see when you upload a profile picture, but it's set to this aspect ratio. So if I just click apply, there, that shows a very good picture, I like that one. Yeah, so that's set the profile banner, as you can see here. But with Nitro Classic, you can. If you click this, you're going to have to buy the normal Nitro. So at the moment, this colour here, this will be determined from some colour in your profile picture. I'm not sure how it calculates it, but it picks a certain colour from here, and it sets it as your banner. You can't have control over that. Not at the moment anyway, because if I go into Reddit here, so this person uploaded a nice video of them with this option here. So it says banner colour, and this person is able to change the colour of the banner. So this should be coming soon, if they go through with it. And it'll be very nice to see, but with this option it seems that I'll be able to do it for free because as you can see, under profile banner it has this Nitro icon here, and obviously that shows it's exclusive to Nitro. This does not have that, so it seems to be completely free to change that colour, which is very nice. And just a quick warning, a user did some testing and it seems that the custom banner feature, this one, only allows you to upload up to 10 megabytes. Obviously for Nitro users, because normal users can't upload one. So 10 megabytes seems to be the limit that you can upload, just a bit past that, so it's roughly 10 megabytes. Now I don't know how accurate this post is, but there seems to be a limit as it is. Pretty sure 10 megabytes is the maximum size for avatars, so it seems to be consistent there, but obviously the banners are bigger, so you might have to do some compressing of some GIFs especially, because GIFs can be quite big, so that's just a warning there. Moving on from the profile banner, you can now change your bio, or what it calls About Me. So whether you have Nitro or Nitro Classic, or even if you don't have either of them, if you're just a standard user, you can change your bio.
Yes! Hell yeah!
There is a 190 character limit, so literally anything you type plus the spaces, that counts as a character. So there is a limit there, but it seems to be quite big, which is nice. If I go over to my profile, here it is, the About Me section. So it shows up right under the status and right above your roles. You can use emojis, I'm not sure about custom ones, I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm going to do that quickly. Right, so I just added a custom emoji, and it doesn't seem to work. Unlike in the status where you can put custom emojis like I have here, you can't put that in the bio unfortunately. But these features just officially came out, and they're not even on all platforms yet, so they might do some more changes with them, but at the moment you cannot use custom emojis here, which is unfortunate. So that's it for this video. If this is your first time hearing about profile customization, or the fact that it just came out for everyone, please leave a like, that'd be very much appreciated. I'm pretty sure it came out on the 23rd of June as far as I know. And just before I shut up this video, they finally changed the Discord font up here. That's not really relevant to the video, I just wanted to point that out. And for Discord news, I'll report it as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see you then.